What's up, everybody? Again, so we're gonna show you the Jason mask. I brought it from Mexico from 2019. Here, let me show you. And I have a second surprise that I want to show you. This is a very adult. This is a very the Lego chainsaw. So here, this is from Jason. Okay, so let me put it on. Now, there, that's it. And now, here, this is like this. Yep. You can order it now for free, and you can go and you can travel to Mexico by going to the cruise. So you can win $100 billion to go there. Okay. So thank you for watching. Bye.